Look at the mountain, guys. Those are the mountains. Cafeteria. Tienes cafeteria también. Sis. Hindi ito ang autobus. 669 yan, Jingay. Tignan mo. Vale. 664 pa naman.
Ayun, no? Ang dami din.
Okay.
Pasa. Tumura tayo.
Vale.
Bus is coming. May 6 euro ka.
Tengo.
Ayun.
Si tengo.
Ayun. Kasi doon tayo kanina na hinto. Yun. Dito ang pabalik.
Vale. Seis.
Ano, 669.
Pero no para Madrid. No para Madrid.
Hindi yung
Pero ultra autobus también. Tigo po ka muna. Solo 664 ang sasakyan natin. O 661 ba?
66.
Pero walang 661 dito.
Hindi yan, lumiko.
Así. Simpleng buhay ay kaya.
Saan ang mga bahay dito?
Ayan.
Baguro, no?
Oo. Ayan, no, mga bahay yan. Eto, bahay din to, Jingkay, dyan.
Bababa.
Oo.
Asan
Residential.
tayo pumunta nung nandito tayo? May palace.
I'm not sure if dun banda. Kasi mataas na lugar na yun eh. I'm not sure. Yeah, another bus is coming. I really like the clouds. Yeah, look at the clouds, Jingay.
664.
Is it? No?
No, L.
L, okay.
Linaw pa yung mata ko.
I was able to find out that Madrid city itself is the capital, but there's also what they call Comunidad de Madrid, which is not a city but a province of Madrid. Yeah, like Escorial.
Within the organ lang to rain. Within lang.
All right, but look, it's Alsa also. It's also Alsa. Another bus is coming, but we gotta check if it's 664 going to Madrid. Can you see? Is it 664? Maybe sin servicio? Wala. Hindi siya. No, then you have to sit down again. Another bus is coming. Simpleng buhay ay kay I can't read. What's that? Ayun na Escorial mo nakalagay. 660 Jingay. But Can we ride 660? No. 664 only, no? Kasi walang nakalagay na Madrid eh. Yeah. Hospital Comara. Madrid, yeah.